We did it.
Look at our hands.
We did it.
We should go shopping. We should go into Ulta and be like, I'm looking for a good nail color. Would you, what are you thinking?
I want to go steal something so they can be like, I caught you red-handed.
That was really clever.
Laura is getting it.
I'm really bad at the Sanskrit names too.
I was just telling her about these boots. Do you remember I wore them backwards?
Yeah.
They're the same ones.
Yeah. Eyes kind of like Chucky vibe.
There's a skeleton up in the window.
I like these bookshelves. They're cool. Yeah, it's really cool, eh?
Hey, it's stuck.
Stuck. It's stuck. I can't. A for effort.
I feel like it went too slow. I feel like I want to do one more time.
Yeah, do it one more time. Do it one more time. I believe in you.
That was better.
Okay, dude, that was almost bullseye. Hold on, don't take it out. Don't take it out. Don't take it out. I need to get a close up on this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Just girly things.
Just girly things. That's right.
Jesus. We just did our first Whatnot live auction. So pumped. It was a success. Went so well. It was so fun. I cannot wait to do another one. I'm going to show you what my basement looks like right now. So we have a lot of autographed items laid around. The trading cards drying, making sure that dries. We also have some stuff set over here on the TV stand, making sure that it dries because you cannot smudge those autographs. We got the photo shoot, bloody photo shoot. This one, this outfit that I'm wearing right there is in this bag, autographed. We got Allie's face mask. Thank you so much, everyone. He's playing the organ. I just realized there's music. You can't really see it through the windows, but... Okay, I know it's loud as hell out here.
Yeah.
But we are in front of Halloween Town.
Yay, it was very fun.
Oh my gosh, you can't even see the sign. There you go. We got some goodies. We're very excited.
Prezzies.
Cannot wait. And now we're gonna go to where?
Mystic Museum.
Hell yeah.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Oh no, it's not stopping. I have to spin again. Oh my god.
Alright, let's go. Oh, I like that one. Oh my goodness.
Oh, it's still going. It's still going. It's still going. Lucky numbers. One. Oh.
Okay.
A witch watches over you. Yay.
Oh my gosh, she's gone.
Bye.
This is a Victorian seance room, and there's so much to look at that I'm just gonna take a video first. This is right outside of the museum. Absolutely the fuck not. Okay, I got 4 t-shirts today. I only packed a carry-on and a little backpack. I might have to layer them, but I'm gonna show you what I got today in Burbank, okay? First shirt I got was which place? Halloween Town?
Yep. It's so cool.
Vampira. What does it say? Spookathon.
Hell yeah.
I am so pumped. I thought this is all that I was going to get today, and then we went to other stores. This is from the Mystic Museum, which is their shirt, but it looks like an old MTV logo.
Yes, that's
so cute.
cool.
Total
Yeah.
Grotesque live. Okay, and then we went to this bookstore. I don't remember the name of it, and I feel bad, but they had so many t-shirts I wanted to get. First of all, this neon Frankenhooker.
So cool.
I could not refuse. And then I've never seen a shirt for this movie before, but I was so pumped to find Faster Pussycat Kill Kill. If you know, you know. And that's my little haul. Oh wait, let me show you 2 more things.
Okay.
I might as well just show you everything I got, okay?
Love it.
We have Exorcist,
Love it.
lunchbox / container for something. Okay, and then finally, I think this is finally, to be honest, new pins for my jacket, for my entrance jacket, since I lost a bunch of them recently. This is, I think, an Ash chainsaw, but it's a Chainsaw Girl's chainsaw, you know what I mean? And then Freddy's glove. Yay.
Yay. Do you want to just... Okay, let me just make sure this is all lined up.
Yep.
So I can grab it. Okay. Okay. All right.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.